Did you know you can start an online business today with zero money? Yeah, no fancy tools, no paid ads, just pure strategy. That's why I'm here today to show you exactly how to do it step by step. So by the end of this video, you will have a real online business up and running. Make sure you see to the end because I have a free launch checklist for you just to help you get started. Have you wondered what could happen to your business if you take it online professionally? You have a global reach. It lets you sell to customers worldwide. You are no longer limited by geography, by location. People could shop, book, make inquiries anytime, any day. It opens up a massive growth potential. Your business is running 24/7, even while you were sleeping. You can automate customer service, sales funnels, email responses. You can easily scale up your business without expanding a physical space or increasing your staff. The benefits are numerous and is definitely going to impact your business positively. So let's dive into the steps of taking your business online with zero money. The first step is pick a profitable niche. What is a niche? A niche is a specific segment of a market that focuses on a particular audience with unique needs, interests, or problems. So choosing your niche is like picking your favorite sport to play. You cannot play everything. Yeah, you love sports. You watch variety of sport, but you cannot play everything. You may be good at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you have to choose one. You have to choose your best sport. Do you want to play football? Do you want to play basketball? Do you want to play hockey, golf? You have to choose something. You have to choose one. That's what a niche is. Why? Because you want to build authority in that segment. You want to attract the right people, the right community, the right audience. Okay? You want to be able to solve specific problems. You are like a specialist. People will easily come to you because they know you are an authority in this brand, in this niche. Okay, so you want to build a community, you want to build audience that are interested in that particular niche. And the reason why I said profitable, because it's a business. Your niche may not be profitable if you are not using it for business. Maybe it's just your passion or something you like doing. But when it comes to business, the end result is always profit. Let's say in the fitness industry, okay? Fitness industry is very broad. Yeah, so maybe I'm looking for a coach in the fitness industry, and I start looking at profiles online and to see who can be my coach. And let's say I check profile A, and this guy is saying, oh, I'm a fitness coach, I can help you lose weight. I train men, women, children. Well, that's good. It's okay. I can choose him. And I go to the next profile and I see another coach saying, I'm a fitness coach for women over 40. Who do you think I would choose? I'm going for the second one. Why? Keyword, I'm a woman. So for him to even niche down to this level, I believe that he has done his research. He's an expert. Over 40. I'm over 40. This guy knows me. This guy understands me. When you are over 40, losing weight is a game changer. So I need a coach that understands that. I feel his vibe. I can connect with him. Do you see that? I'm connecting because he has niched down to my specific problem. Okay, the other guy says, I take care of men, women, children. That's a generalistic person. People will go for him. Yeah, I may go for him. But now he has a competitor. This competitor is saying, I can take care of you if you're a woman over 40. I will help you. I will help you lose weight over 40. I'm interested. Please sign me up. You are the one I've been looking for. Because I believe that he understands why it's difficult for women to lose weight over 40. This is what I'm saying. Niching down helps you to be attracted to the right audience. So the more specific you are, the easier it is for you to attract the right audience and build authority in that space. Do you know what it means for a fitness trainer to say, okay, say, I don't want to deal with men. I don't want to deal with children. I don't want to deal with women under 40. Do you know what that means? Do you know the group of people you have excluded from your program? Now he's saying, I want to deal with you if you are over 40. Any woman that is over 40 that is struggling with her weight, that sees that profile, that is looking for a weight loss coach, 100% she will sign up. You see what you do when you are younger and what you do when you're after 40. Oh God, it's different. All your gymnastic and technique and this, everything, I'm telling you, it becomes obsolete. You're in a new era. So there's no way I'm seeing that kind of profile and I'm interested in a coach. There's no way I'm not signing up. How do you choose this profitable niche? 1A, identify what you are good at and passionate about. It has to be something you really love, you enjoy doing. You could do it for hours. Even when you are tired, you love it. You know those kind of jobs that you are so tired, you are worn out, but the moment you open your laptop, it's like you are in the pool again. Do you understand? So you must choose something that is your passion. Profitable passion. This is business. Your niche should align with these three things: your skill, your interests, your experience. So it's either you are picking your niche based on your skill, or you are picking your niche based on your interests, or you're picking your niche based on your experience. So it has to align with any one of them or three of them. Okay, so for your skills could be like writing, coding, speaking, coaching, whatever skill you have, your skill is your skill. So because your skill is something that you know this thing. Maybe my car breaks down on the road and I have a flat tire, and I call a mechanic, come and change my tire. He's not going to read a book to do that. It's a skill. He's not going to call somebody on the phone, hey, I want to change the tire. No, it's something that he knows. He knows it. He will come, he will do his work. Okay, let's say me, I want to change tire. What will I do? Okay, I'll park the car from the road. I open the boots. There's one thing that there's a triangle. There's one red triangle, right? I will put it down so that cars that are coming will slow down, something like that. Then I will now bring, there's one thing, say a jack. I'll bring out a jack. I'll just call my husband. I'll just call mechanic. I'll just call my husband. So if you see, for me, it's not my skill. It's not my niche. It's not what I'm choosing. I'm choosing how to change. It's not possible. Do you understand? It's not my niche. I will call my mechanic. I will call my husband. My tire has fallen. Please, where are you? Come. You see? Your skill is something you have to know very well. Then the next alignment should be your interest. Maybe you don't have skill, but you have interest. You are interested in fashion and you want to choose a niche in fashion. You love fashion. You're always looking at clothes, trending styles. You have downloaded all kinds of styles, all kinds of trending things. Even in fashion, you have to still niche down, because in fashion, you still have kids fashion, you still have fashion for women, you have fashion for men, you have fashion for Christian women, fashion for Muslim women. You have to have interests in it before you can choose that niche. Then the third alignment should be your experience. It's what you have gone through. It's what you have been through. It's just like a scar on your body. Every time I ask you, what is this? What happened to you here? Are you going to tell me you have forgotten? No, you can't forget, especially if it's a major scar. You can't forget. You may not remember the date, but you know what happened to you. You remember. I know what I went through. Okay, it's just like there's a scar I have on my hand. Let me see if I can show you. I don't know if you can see. Here's the camera. Okay, here. Yeah, many years. But if you ask me what happened to you, I can tell you. I can tell you this. I know what happened to me. So your niche align with your experience. Let's say somebody lost weight, a woman that lost weight, and you were weighing like 80, 90, and now you are 65 or 70, 68. It's your experience. People want to hear what you have. How did you do it? What did you take? What exercise did you do? Show me your journey. They want to see, they want to experience it. In fact, people who have experience, they have more power to draw their audience. Plan B will be research what people are already paying for. What are people paying for in your niche? So now you have maybe a list of niches. You think, okay, I can do this, I can do this. So you are trying to research so you can pick the strongest. You have to be sure that there is high demand for your niche. And the next step is 1C. Look at competitors and analyze. The reason why you are looking at competitors is because these people have been there before you. They are like the picture of where you are going to. Okay, what kind of products are they selling? How are their customers engaging them? How are people interacting with them? What are they doing? How are they doing it? I will always advise you have two competitors, competitor A and competitor B. Why? Competitor A will be the very successful competitor in your niche, the celebrity in your niche. Someone that has been there for a while, it has huge following, is very successful. Okay, why? So that you can see where you are going. You can look at their products, how do the community interact with them, how they are scaling their growth. So all of this is for you to have a picture of how yours could turn out to. Okay, sometimes competitor A can be overwhelming, yeah, because they have gone so far. Like, can I ever be like this? You see that? Competitor B is a small competitor. Someone who has not gone so far. Someone who has a smaller following but is successful. Someone who just started but is successful. They're doing well. They have not gone so far. Okay, why? So that it helps you to see, okay, you have not gone so far. If you can get to this point, I can get to this point. Okay, for example, let's just say I'm in Port Harcourt, okay, and competitor A is in Sokoto and B is in Aba. So those of you who are not Nigerians, Port Harcourt is like the south, Sokoto is the north, and Aba is the southeast. Okay, so and I'm supposed to drive to both of them, right? Looking at both of them, who do you think I would easily drive down to? B. Aba is just like from Port Harcourt to Aba is like 30-45 minutes. To Sokoto is the whole day. So I'll be motivated to gravitate towards the B because it's closer to me. Do you understand? Okay, and I know we'll get there, Sokoto, but for now I'll be motivated easily to move towards a closer location. It's not like you're going to copy them. It's not like you're going to copy what they are doing. You will get inspired by what they are doing, and try not to have so many people you're looking at. It just gets you confused. Okay, the next step is 1D, which is niche validation. So before committing, you're going to use some free tools to confirm demand. Now, free tools like Google Trend, this will help you check if interest in your niche is growing or is declining. Are people still interested in this niche? Are people still interested in this year that we are in? Are people interested in it? Maybe 5 years ago, it was everybody's interest, but today, people are no more interested in it. You want to be sure that the graph is going up, instead of coming down. So now it's just like you're into AI niche. Have you seen the graph for AI? It's steep. It's steep words because everybody is turning into AI. All right. So you want to be sure that there's the interest on your Google trend is sloping upwards. The next tool you can use is YouTube search. You want to check people are searching for that niche by checking the views. Okay. You also use Facebook group. You can use Reddit to check active discussions in your niche. Once you get to this point, you are now sure that yes, I have picked the right niche. You zero it down to 1. I have picked the right niche. We're going to stop here for part 1 and take part 2 in the next video, how to set up your online presence. Now, I told you at the beginning that I have a free gift for you. Yes, now this is your free gift. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can click on it and download your checklist so that you can have a map to help you get started. Thank you, digital CEOs, for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to download your gifts.